Okay, so hi. We are here today with Metallic Rouge. So, uh, we will be reacting to that today, episodes 4 and 5, but we're going to do something a little different with it. I found it in 144 FPS, right? Instead of the usual, I guess, what is anime usually, 30 FPS? Or, no, I think usually it's like 60 FPS. But these episodes are 144, so it's supposed to be much smoother, and hopefully it is. We'll see how that looks, and I took a sneak peek at it, just a few random scenes, and it does look like it is smoother. But maybe it'll be too smooth, who knows? Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, last time we saw that little kid, just get end gamed in the show. I actually like that caught me by surprise because I thought that kid was gonna be in the episode after at the very least, and I thought they would have a bit of a bigger role than they did have, but they did not have that. So that was unexpected. And then we saw like Rouge, in the first episode beat some Immortal 9, fought the Joker. Apparently the blonde dude Nanami from Jujutsu Kaisen went crazy and he just became like the Joker. He became Heath Ledger from the Batman The Dark Knight Rises, and he's in this anime now. So yeah, psychotic breakdown. That's a joke, by the way. Anyways, so yeah, so basically I think he's hunting Rouge. I'm not too sure, and Rouge is like similar to the Immortal 9. And then there was some other stuff that happened. The two main girls got into a big fight, and they all like grr and all that happened, and then Rouge got mad and pouty and like wanted to like cry, and then they made up sort of, or did they make up actually? She got teary eyed, and there were no smiles, but there was crying, and I don't think they made up yet. No. So Rouge actually like infiltrated the base there, and there's something going on with like the whole police department, and they're hiding news from that one of the higher ups that showed up, and a bunch of stuff happening. So we're gonna jump into this, and I have been looking forward to it. So episodes 4 and 5 are today. By the way, I'm just gonna throw it out there, like the drawing for my model, the rigging, the animations that you can see, the wave, the idle animation, which is just which is this, but sleepy-eyed, with each eye opening part way, and the crying animation from before those are all done by me, right? So yeah. If anyone's interested in commissions, just send me an email. Email is best. I haven't really been using Twitter or like Instagram that much anymore, because Instagram I'm shadow banned on because I reposted a prior post and used the same hashtags and stuff, so they shadow banned me. And I've just been shadow banned. I think I'm probably still shadow banned, and it's been months. So Instagram's just gone to crap for me. Twitter's just not the best for building. Pixiv's okay. I don't think Pixiv is as bad as the Twitter and Instagram, but I don't think it's good. But I think it's not as bad. Anyways, let's just jump into this. So you can check out my artworks below, and I'll be posting. I did a bunch the past few weeks. And I did like, in the past 3 weeks, I did like 6 drawings, 6 illustrations in like more of a minimalist style, which is like a secondary style of mine. And so is the style my model is done, with the almond shaped, more almondy eyes and the nose, how it is secondary style. I have like 3 different styles that I developed, because having more styles is more fun, but not too many. I think 3 is a good limit. if one can handle it and if one is interested in it. But yeah. Yeah, anyways, let's jump into this. Okay. Anyways, that was confusing as hell. I'll remove the wings for now, just so the subs can be better seen. Look at that though, the 144 FPS. Damn, that's smooth. That's smooth. Oh my, it's like almost too smooth. It's very interesting. Who is she? Not gonna lie, she's kind of cute. Not the summoned monster looking thing, but her, holy shit. Like I don't mean to say holy shit, but like holy crap. Like this is insanely smooth. Why are they sending in a security force? Maybe pretense of something. Oh, interesting. So the police are at odds with like their with ROUGE's organization. Interesting. Are you really ROUGE? You're thinking a lot. ROUGE on this. I was wondering, like, couldn't she just break out? Also, damn, that's so smooth. I don't know, like the FPS, the 144 FPS is so smooth, but I don't know if it's too smooth. Anyone should, like, give it a try, 144. Just look at a few scenes and see. For yourself. How it is. Ja, matete yaru. Oh, serious. It's like a mob boss meeting. But she's not working with them. Or, I forget. Were the altars like the Immortal 9 are part of them? Hmm. Who delivered the message? Destroy them if need be. Whoa. Isn't that excessive? Hiccups. I recognize that dude's voice actor. I don't know what from though. Very well. The interrogation begins, even though it already began. Like you already started it. Your date of creation. Just say like 2,000 years ago. Super smooth FPS. I think it's almost too smooth though. Might be nice to see with like a Blu-ray release. That's a crazy face this dude's making. There's more. Wait, what? That's odd. Oh, she just. Yeah, she could have broke free at any time. Oh, wow. Watch, now they're gonna turn to Rouge to help. What? They were just about to try and kill her. And she helps them. So. She's saying like a half-truth. She's saying half-truths. She is looking for... Who is she? So is he there to investigate the other one? They're like, holy shit, we have to take responsibility? Oh my gosh. Some people do get drunk on power. Reminds me of a psychology experiment I had learned about. Basically, people were put into a position of power in like a test group, and many people would abuse it. It would go to their heads in most cases, like drunk off power, drunk off positions of authority. What the frick? Yeah, Parashi's one. He says that so nonchalantly, like he knew. Lying. A poison? Holy shit. He faked great acting there. He faked the acting and stuff to like jab her with something. Holy shit, he stabbed her with like LSD or something. I don't know what the hell. Oh, this is crazy. Who are they? He stabbed her with something there. Oh, that's that, like... Oh, that dude aged horribly. What the freak? It's been like 2 episodes and he went from like... All his hair is like grey now. Now Nanami lost his mind. What the freak? So Ryan did it so the doctor wouldn't have to. It's not that I didn't want to, neither did I ask your help. And you just assumed it and did it all on your own. Killed him. I expected that. Oh. He's one of the Immortal 9. Holy shit, I didn't expect that. How come he didn't kill her? Why is he leaving? It's like, who are you again? Okay, I really did not expect Aftal, the doctor, to be like, I guess one of the Immortal 9. Surprised. Are those illusions? Like, is she high, or is that like actually enemies? Because she's at a big disadvantage. What the hell is he doing? Like some Killua style shadow step walk? You and I are both to be pitied. Why does he keep saying that? Kawaiso. He's like, I'll give you freedom in death. Time to go like plus ultra. It's so interesting that like many of the organizations are at war with each other. It's like, why do you resist? I just want to kill you. The frig? The wait, like, that's crazy that you said that. Why do you resist? I'm just trying to end your life. Oh, she looks like a Digimon. Oh, she took his core. What in the hell now? Okay, that was episode 4. We'll go right into 5. Wait, why is this dude here? Rest in peace. This is Dare. Hakarashi. Oh, okay. Nice dress. Nice music. Is she high or something? Is that her older brother? Her Oni-chan? Yeah, she's like remembering memories through here, I guess. Oh, what the freak? The bird just crash lands and dies on the piano and he just keeps going. The hell? Project ROUGE. Do, 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 do. Okay. What the hell? Is that the thing from Spirited Away? Are these like her memories she's seeing? But like third person. What the hell? Continue to sleep, my beloved ROUGE. That one was with that girl who looked really cool. That's an incorrect way of describing it. Wait, does she still get those in jail? Oh, yeah, she does. I remember the first episode. And I guess if you can't make a kid, you can make a kid. What is happening? A war machine. The usurpers, they were the ones that attacked humanity, right? So what is his job? Man's like, I'm like the male version of Lara Croft. Okay, him and her have a interesting dynamic. So it's just going through like her memories of her life. I know that song and I don't like it. Oh damn. I hate the song that you love. Oh, is she singing it? Wow. It's something with that drug that Rion stabbed her with just like messed her up. Unfavorable legacy. I will not forgive them. Not they will pay. His brother. No, what? They're trying to probe her memories and stuff. Interesting. He's trying to get Code Eve. These are like twisted memories he's trying to get. She's trying to find out where this Code Eve is. Whatever that is. Nata wa dare? I thought he was about to slap her. He's like, is that wrong? Who is he? Okay, this dude has a savior complex or something. It's like, but who am I? Let me introduce you to yourself. It would take far too long to explain, but I'll summarize it as in drugs. Yo, she was actually drugged. It's like crazy. They're lighter than I expected. For her being like a robot or something. Yeah. Magnanimous. I don't even know what that means. Oh. The same scent. Figuratively. he's like, I'll just ignore it. What the frig? Ah. Interesting. So what is he? He saw those two about to fight. He's like, yo. He's like, yo, it's time to like blast off to infinity and beyond. It's like, damn it. We just got here and they're making us do work. What is this? Oh, that walk. Oh, they're going to another planet? Yeah, she's out of it. Also, that FPS with that walk was crazy. Mm. Oh shit. You can't say worry about yourself and then get slapped around. Oh, that girl had like a back up there. The camera woman from before. I thought she wasn't just like an ordinary camera woman. Oh, those are the things from episode 2. Who the hell? What? Who is that? Also, that outfit is cool. The gladiator outfit, it looks like the one from Ratchet Deadlocked. If anyone knows that game. It looks like Ratchet's outfit from Ratchet Deadlocked. That clown girl is pretty strong. Cool. Did she just like bend her hair? She's like, I control. Steel fiber hairs. What the frick? I won't let you escape. Yes. Yes, you will. The hell was that exchange? That was funny. Just jumps away. So they do try to... What was it he was... What was it he's looking for? Yo, she paid in chocolate. That's hilarious. So she was on a whole trip. Is a coincidence really a coincidence? Or is it fate? Ume des. I don't know why I said des. Very obviously they wanted something from her. Something to do with this Code Eve. And who was that? Oh, that dude. Oh, that dude. Huh. Okay. So that is episodes 4 and 5. Alright, so I did enjoy it. Cool show. Cool episodes. Very interesting. Raises a lot of, different questions about, what's the deal with this Code Eve thing? And then why does ROUGE, which is literally read it in French, why does she have like blue hair there? And what's the deal with her brother and all this other stuff? Like, I'm very curious about it. Someone correct me if I'm wrong or not, but did it mention that ROUGE murdered someone? Like when, or involved in the disappearance of someone? when Naomi was talking to that one detective or higher up in episode 4, she mentioned a name, and it seemed like it was the same name as Rouge's brother. But I don't know if it was like her brother or her father or who was mentioned. I don't know if Naomi knows about that whole situation or not. I don't know who this puppet master is. It raises a lot of questions there. You know, the thing last episode with Aftal, that threw me for a loop. I did not expect him to be I was just like surprised, confused. Like I didn't expect him to be. I don't know if he was one of the Immortal 9 or if he was just like, because who else can turn other than Rouge? The Immortal 9, right? Unless, like, someone correct me if I'm wrong. Unless, like, humans can have that, like a battle suit of sorts. Like, I'm not sure. That clown girl was really cool. This was an interesting episode. I did really enjoy it. The 144 FPS was really cool. It was really smooth looking. So that was great. I don't know if that was, like, I feel like it was maybe a little too smooth in ways. Also, my monitor is not 144 FPS. I think it's only 60, so 60 hertz monitor. So because of the hertz difference and the FPS to hertz ratio, I think there was a slight choppiness randomly here and there. But yeah, I did really enjoy the episodes. Let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think of this whole like circus dynamic? I think it's pretty cool. The action in the show is pretty cool. Sometimes it's a little predictable, but the way that it starts is unpredictable to me and who it involves. So it's a really good show. Definitely much better than I had expected. And yeah. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more. Let me know your thoughts on it. I think, just a theory, but I think maybe the puppet dude is related to Rouge's father. I think so. So it's interesting. He wants her to attain true freedom. Because she is free, but I think it means, I don't know what he means. Maybe he means like relevant to her relation to the CFN and stuff, and to her supposed mission through time. And I don't know what the deal is with her having blue hair, especially when she's named Rouge. Like, that's interesting. Anyways, I enjoyed it a lot, so thanks for watching, and bye.